Good afternoon. Hope everybody's having a good day. I am. Got 4 new Painted Hills hair sheep that my dog is barking at right now because she doesn't like anything new. It's a little cool out today. Got just a smidge of rain, not enough to make a difference. But other than that, we know winter is upon us. Let me flip you around here. This is my project. It is going to be a pollinator garden. I've got crab apples, grasses, shoot, I'm having a moment. Serviceberry, red twig, dogwood, bee balm, yarrow. Let's see. Oh, stinking wind. This one is a brilliant red chokecherry. The fun thing about all these plants, they were on discount at the local nursery. So, score even better. But I'm going to be planting this up, dig out the mugwort there. And I kind of laid it out the way I want it, but things will change like they already have. And there's snow on the mountains over there. Zoom in on that. Can I zoom in? Yep, snow on the mountains. So I will plant along as long as I can stand to be outside in this weather. So look at this crab apple. Look at the berries on that. Anyway, this will look glorious in the spring. I've got my daffodil bed right here. And I'll keep on putting plants in that attract pollinators, bees, and whatnot. I've got some comfrey I need to dig up, some wormwood to give it some silver. But yeah, this will be a fun project. All right, I'll keep you posted. Have a good evening. Bye. Good afternoon. I about have this project finished in 2 days, start to finish. I'll flip you around and show you what I've done. So I'm making a pollinator habitat out here in my huge field. We all need one of this for wildlife and pollinators. So what it ended up happening is I made 4 different quadrants. And this one's got a nice little path running through it. I picked these plants up for huge discount at the nursery. The trees and shrubs were 30% off, and all the other perennials, gallon perennials, I got at another nursery for $5 a piece. So that was a huge score. And the mulch I already had. It's wood chips from a tree service. So there's a few more I need to plant. And with some of these perennials, they were so overgrown that I split them in half. So, and you can do that. It doesn't hurt them. In fact, it helps them. So for the majority, I have bee balm, yarrow, catmint. Let's see. Oh, the grasses. And that's the majority of it. I'll go divide some Jupiter's beard I have. Some, what else do I have? Some wormwood. Put in some nice little accents, like that rock. To have this all prepared for spring. Maybe I'll even go get some bulbs. So, I think it turned out very, very nice. So, hit your nurseries up for deep discounts. Find a little weekend project. And you too can have a beautiful pollinator garden. Have a great rest of your weekend.